I should look up how the bird's meant to look. Close-ups. I was in a situation recently, and it really felt like the situation was thrust upon me. I did not ask for this kind of harassment. Anyway, long story short, I'm documenting my Canvas Hunt Patreon video too. So it actually might be on Patreon by the time that I share this artwork, because I've got lots of artworks to share before this one. Anyway, so I'm documenting it, and I come across a problem where I end up with an extra 30 meters of canvas, and I was like, oh shit. So I went on to Facey, and I was like, I went on to 2 groups, and I explained the problem, and I was like, hey, I've got an extra 30 meters of canvas, and I got a really good price, because I got it from Alibaba, but you know, the whole, you got to see the Patreon video to see how this done. There was this fabric warehouse in Alexandria. This is going to be impossible to do online. Sounds like a dumb idea trying to paint on waterproof fabric. Why are we measuring one side in inches and the other one in meters? The gentrification of art products just makes no sense to me whatsoever. It's like your target audience is poor people if they're living off their art. And okay, I got into one of those exclusive UK clubs. Their rule is now to scale. Okay. 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 Are you mad, or is it stuck in capitals? Because my grandma does that. But these photos just kind of freaked me out. We're gonna fix the order and we're gonna make it work. The width of 2 door frames is 160, which is great. Stop sending me my own photos back. Jennifer does not know how to have a consistent conversation. It's time to actually rage quit on this. Like, Zhao to fucking post it because he's a piece of scammer alert. You're Bulgarian. And I go, and also, if you want to see the repercussions of what this woman did, that's also on the video, because she just inserts herself in my life. It's like, anyway, so this woman, she must have had my post removed from the other group because it was in the area that she works. And in this gallery group, she just goes, scammer alert, and she just labels me a scammer, but she goes, because I'm Bulgarian, and she's like, you're in Bulgaria, you're a scammer. And I try to explain, and I was like, I'm a migrant child, I'm not a scammer. And Bulgarians aren't really known to be scammers either. So I was really thrown back by this. And she obviously convinced the moderator that I was one and got me removed from the group. And it really caused a lot of problems that I had to solve after this. So I really didn't appreciate the situation I was in. And I just, like, I'm upset. You know, Drake, like, I'm upset. Anyway, so I'm gonna make an artwork. And I looked at her profile, and Naomi's artworks look like shit. No comment. So I looked at her profile, and she's obviously proud of this one artwork. It's like a bird, and it's a print. It's a print. So I'm gonna do like a line of prints of this bird, and it's like kind of my bird's really shit all over hers, and that's the whole concept of the artwork. So I'm gonna do like one of my birds in motion, because I looked at one of my artworks recently of a bird, and I didn't realize at the time how much movement is in the artwork. So I was like, oh, sweet. So I'm going to do one of those, like shitting all over her birds, and then probably some reference to nepotism or something in there, because, oh, and the video is going to be on YouTube a year after I share it on Patreon. So if you want to see how that unfolds for free. Oh, did no one ever tell you that the shit you say on the internet lasts forever? Did no one tell you that? Because maybe you're just old, like, and you don't have a mum to warn you, but what you do stays on the internet forever. Oh, look at all this canvas I'm scamming people with. I see a beige room, really bland, like her artworks. Perfect. I strategically painted that one just then, so this will turn out like a nice light brown. That's the exact color I imagined. Bland. Yep. New idea. I'm gonna put a window, because I would not. It's an invitation. That's what it is. This window is an invitation. Alright,
just a reminder that no artist should ever be selling prints. Over here, I'm going to reference Dali's painting, Suez. Mm-hmm. I should look up how the bird's meant to look. I don't know. Alright, let's see this woman's ugly bird. She did okay. She did okay. What is that? It's the fucking bird. My bird does shit all over hers. I'm not even done yet. Ugh, I'm just gonna screenshot it. I don't want to look at it. Oh, sorry. I never actually looked at what she titled it. What? Like, are you taking the piss though? Like, I don't think she's taking the piss. Did she put dumb names on everything? I'm so curious. Sure, poetic. I like the skill in this one. She did a better job. It's still decor though. Why do you want $2,000 for this? Oh, gross. We started talking about the quality of the painting. Oh, whatever. Okay. Well, we all know it's a flower. Give me something. Give me something more, Naomi. Come on. Quit being a shit artist. Maybe she was trying to be cute with the name. Slander and racism isn't cute, though. This is why you do the backgrounds first. But it's fine. I want lots of chiaroscuro in this. I didn't do the background right. Some woman once, she made me redo the background. I even told her I'm not doing a commission, but she got me to do the commission. And she made me change the background, which is like the worst thing you can do. So here I am doing the worst thing you can do. Okay, the bird's not gonna be shitting poop because I don't want that. It's gonna be shitting donuts because donuts are an element of my artworks. I have no more to add. Close-ups. Okay, here's what's going on here. My bad. I think I executed pretty well. It's been a while since I finished the painting, and um, I don't think it's bad. Yeah. So my bird shitting all over Naomi's, and I put like donuts because like donuts represent my artwork sometimes. And then I put this is a bit of a reference to Suez. Um, the painting that I appropriated from Dali. So I don't look at Dali artworks, by the way. And then this rope, it's kind of like she's pulling me in. Like she asked for this. Like I was just out there flying free, and then she's like, I'm gonna be a bitch to you. So I'm here and I am shitting all over your artworks. And then I did like the continuous prints because it's like you're such a sellout. You're doing prints, you're such a sellout. Yeah, that's the whole artwork. the title the title is funny. There it is. My bed's shitting all over Naomi's because it totally does. Um, I don't care too much to like send her a link because she's a piece of shit and I blocked her. So that's it. That's it. I've vented my frustrations. If you want to support me through Patreon, that's where the video is until it's been there for a year. So a year's time, then it's gonna go onto YouTube, and I will like go link it towards this in like the end screen. But yeah, if you want to check out the time lapse, that's on my time lapse channel. If you want to like see the description of the artwork and all that, that's on my website on the link below.